Before refrigerators, this is how homesteaders kept food fresh for months. A spring house uses cold, flowing water to naturally cool food. No power needed. If you've got a spring or even a steady creek, you can build one with stone, brick, or concrete. The key is keeping the water moving and the space shaded. Store perishables like milk, butter, eggs, and jars of canned goods. Place sealed containers in the water to chill and line shelves just above the waterline for airflow. It's nature's fridge, and it works year-round in most climates. Just make sure it's critter-proof and sealed against contamination. Want off-grid food storage? The spring house still beats the freezer.